Hey, how's it going, guys? Jonathan Glazer here, and I'm coming at you with another review video of a super awesome course by a good friend of mine, Ben Martin. The course is called Stealth Commissions, and inside you're going to learn how to utilize YouTube to promote pretty much anything you want. That's the power of YouTube. People go on YouTube to learn how to make money online, learn how to get better at hobbies, learn how to do anything, even be entertained. They go on YouTube for that. So you're going to learn how to tap into that. And inside this course, Ben Martin completely builds a new channel from scratch. And he shows you step by step how to do it, from setting up the channel to optimizing the channel, from the banners to how to get more, build a list by optimizing and adding links. And he's even giving away some very valuable information that I haven't seen any courses do so far, which is his keyword research techniques and the software that he uses. Plus, he's got some very unique optimization methods. That's you're gonna need to do if you want to rank your video on first page of YouTube and Google. So you can click the link below, check out everything I put together for you, bonuses, or you can keep watching and learn a little bit more. But you'll get the same value by clicking the link below, and you'll get to see my bonuses and as well. So here is what you are going to learn. So as I was going through this, I found it very easy to follow, in depth. He's a very good teacher. He teaches very slowly. He goes through everything step by step, so that you can absorb all the information and it's easy to implement. So first thing he does is he explains how to set the channels up, what you need to do to get everything rolling, and then you're going to learn the importance of long tail keywords. He's going to break it down for you so you get a great understanding of it. And then once you've gone through that, and he showed you all of, so you get a grasp of everything, you're going to learn how to do your videos. And then just a couple tricks such as video intros and outros, and where to find those. And the cool thing about it was a website or a software that I didn't even know existed until I went through this course, and it's not on Fiverr. So it means you can go there, you can do it, and you can get them instantly. You don't have to wait the 2 to 3 days, the day that you would normally do for Fiverr. And it's actually can get done for probably even a lot cheaper than what you can on Fiverr. So you're also going to learn new on and off page SEO. And if you're not familiar with that, don't worry. He breaks it down so it's super easy to understand what the difference is and why they're both important. So I mean, it's one of the most in-depth YouTube courses I've been through, and I do a lot of YouTube videos, as you know. I even learned some new tricks here, picked up some new tricks. I was pretty impressed. So I'm going to be implementing those, or have been implementing those, and I'm going to be doing it in the future for my future videos and new channels. So which is, right here, you learn how to set up a YouTube channel that you can automatically establish yourself as an authority figure, which means when someone lands on your channel, it's gonna look professional. They're automatically gonna see you as someone who they want to subscribe to, learn from, and buy from, which is your ultimate goal is to provide value, help enough people, and then they're going to know, like, and trust you, and they're more inclined to buy from you. So that is what he teaches you inside this course, Stealth Commissions. So that being said, what we're going to do is I'm going to briefly talk about my bonuses. Then we'll go through the training and show you everything that you're going to get access to, and go through a couple of the upsells. There will be upsells. Every course has them. Again, they're not needed to have success with this, but they do make things a lot easier. So, first course, or the first bonus I'm going to give you is called the Art of the Giveaway. And simply it focuses on how to build your list, how to create bonuses that solve solutions or provide solutions to a problem in people's niche. So it's going to teach you how to build those from scratch. Super easy way to offer that to you, to build a list, and then how to build what's called a self-liquidated funnel that you can use for your YouTube videos to build your list on YouTube. This is very, very powerful method. Another tool called SEO Maverick, which is really how to find topics that people are looking for, to problems in their niche, how to find the keywords for that, and then how to build use this course to build a video around that. So it's going to be very, very important. And then Easy Sketch Pro is a software that's going to build doodle videos. So you can use this with this course if you're not comfortable behind the camera, or if you just want to promote that way without having to go to Fiverr and trying to find a designer. You can use this software. And then I threw another one in there. Another powerful YouTube method is YouTube ads. So this is going to show you the basics of how to set up a YouTube ad and drive traffic to your videos that way as well, which will drive more traffic and establish your videos as authority video, or show the search engines of YouTube that your videos are important, which will drive it up in the rankings as well. So you can use that little YouTube course I put together for you. And then Back Building Secrets, which is going to show you how to build powerful backlinks. That is also going to increase your video's authority, pushing it up in the ranks. So those are the 5 courses I'm offering you. There'll most likely be more added by the time this course comes out. And one thing to note is the course is $9.95 right now during this launch, and it's going to go up to $14.95 when this launch is over. So get it while you can at this low price, and I'm going to pull my bonuses as well. So you're going to get access to all this in a short period of time. So when you're seeing this, don't hesitate, just take action and snag it now. So we're going to wrap this up. We're going to go through and I'm going to show you the members area. So here I am inside the members area. This is the welcome video. There's a matching PDF that goes with this, and then here's all the modules you're going to get. Everything that you need to know to set up profitable YouTube channels is going to be located inside the Stealth Commissions course. So here you are. As you can see, there's 9 videos, and that would say, let's see. So there's the videos. That's what it's going to look like there. As you can see, there's 9 modules. I want to say there's 20 videos altogether. So there's quite a few here. And then you're going to get access to some bonus modules. They play really, really nicely, well put together, super professional course. And then of course you're going to get access to upgrades. So there's the first one, the Stealth Traffic Package. You're going to get access to promote his other products that he has. You're going to get access to the bonuses, as well as a secret list of keywords. And then here's another one, the Stealth Commission Kit, which this is the one you actually get approval for his campaigns. So these are going to help you increase your commissions, make it easier for you to rank your videos, and all around just have success on YouTube using this method. It's a very, very in-depth method. He covered just practically everything I could think of And like I said, I even learned some new stuff. So that's it. That is my review. Next thing to do is snag it for yourself. That is if you saw value in it, which why would you not? So snag this, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to get this while it's at its lowest price, and of course get my bonuses as well. So have an awesome day. Take care.